Welcome back to the channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to create HDR toning for macro photography. Open your macro flowers or insect images, duplicate the macro layer and navigate to HDR toning. Now choose high details for textures definitions, increase edge glow for depth and also raise detail to highlight tiny textures. Lower gamma for richness and also raise exposure to balance overall brightness, add vibrance for rich colors, reduce saturation to prevent unnatural tones, adjust details again for refinement and add a soft selective mask to the background. Blend HDR at 85% opacity, sharpen key areas